It's Monday morning and the team meeting commences in 5 minutes. There's a buzz of excitement in the air. The exhilarating chatter has now sent shockwaves of energy throughout the room. The workers, they seem to be working to the beat of some imaginary music. They are doing what comes natural to them. They are happy to be there. Everyone is working together. It's unorthodox, the first of its kind. We have now reached a state where opposing forces are balanced. No longer are we against each other. Where I was weak, you made me strong. Where you were weak, I made you strong. We have now reached equilibrium. Hello, entrepreneurs of the world. I am Yolande Wallace. Thanks for tuning in with us here again at Inspire Academy, where we develop the mind of the entrepreneur. In my previous video, Lessons from Corporates and Creatives, I highlighted the strengths of the people who identify as corporates and likewise those that identify as creatives. I suggested that in order to become an exceptional leader, it would be wise to improve upon the areas where you are weak by adapting the strengths of the group to which you do not belong. Today, we will look at the topic equilibrium, corporates and creatives, and begin to paint the picture of what it looks like for corporates and creatives to live in equilibrium. Your growth starts now. Henry Ford, an American industrialist, business magnate, and founder of the Ford Motor Company, spoke true words of wisdom when he said, "Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is progress. And working together is success." Throughout this leadership series, we have learned that in order to lead others, we must first master self-leadership. We have taken responsibility for inspiring and supporting the leaders in the shadows. We then acknowledged where we are weak, relinquished the right to be right, took on the armor of humility, welcomed the idea of learning from each other, and began to reciprocate by teaching others what we know, understanding that what you give is what you get. Now that we have come together, we see that both corporates and creatives alike are very important to the success of our business. Achieving equilibrium is crucial in becoming an exceptional leader. The question then is, what are the true benefits of corporates and creatives joining forces? I have identified 4 major benefits of reaching equilibrium. They are more innovations, solutions to unsolved problems, living a life of purpose, and collaboration over competition. Let us visualize living in a world at equilibrium. Number 1, more innovation. Innovation refers to the action or process of innovating a new method, a new idea, or product. Why is it that my theory is that we would have more innovations? Corporates and creatives view the world from different perspectives. If we are working together, sharing views, we eliminate excessive trial and error, which would result in time saved. Consequently, these innovations would benefit the majority of the population. We would work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Number 2, solutions to unsolved problems. I believe we can all agree that if we're innovating more, we benefit the majority by solving more problems. The most important problem that we solve by working together is accepting and respecting each other for who they are, corporate or creative. We then create a world where everyone can be authentically themselves. Number 3, living a life of purpose. Your purpose is not found in self. It is found when you are being of service to others. Self-acceptance is key. No more pretending to know what you don't know. No more hiding your talents and gifts because others believe you to be different. You are who God created you to be, and your contribution of you to others will lead you to having a life filled with happiness. Number 4, collaboration over competition. There's a quote by Robert John Meehan that says, "The most valuable resource that all teachers have is each other. Without collaboration, our growth is limited to our own perspectives." Imagine working for a company who values the idea of collaboration. You would know for sure that you matter. Workers would be less anxious, if any at all. Meetings would be more efficient. Both corporates and creatives would be more proactive, which would result in great profit. The people we work with are not our competition. They are the piece to the puzzle that will make us exceptional leaders. Our purpose as leaders is to serve others, and how well we serve others will inevitably determine the impact we have on those around us and in the world. The true profit of equilibrium is where we all find our purpose. It's where we take action. It's where we innovate. It's where we change the world. Please like, comment, and share this video with everyone you know. Remember to subscribe so that each week when we post a new tutorial, you will be notified. Be bold, be great, be unapologetically you.